Today I will be showing an overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. Dynamics 365 is a web-based application which fully integrates with Office 365. This allows you to connect to other applications such as Outlook and Excel to enhance your user experience. Being web-based also means that you can access Dynamics 365 from any device. There's also a mobile application available for both iPhone and Android. When you first open Dynamics 365, you will see a list of tiles which contain connections to parts of the system that are relevant to individual jobs. When I click on the Purchase Order Receipt and Follow-up tile, I can see options such as a button to take me to all the purchase order screen, or an option to see only those orders with delayed receipts. It also shows me a list of pending and upcoming work. For this example, I want to see purchase orders that have been registered but not received. I can use this option to display those orders. From this list, I can click on the purchase order number to view information about this purchase order and make changes if needed. The tiles on the home screen will be limited based on security roles assigned to each user, and you can quickly and easily customize this page to show only the options you'd like to see. You also have the ability to create custom workspaces where you can add information according to your preferences. For this demonstration, I've created my workspace. You'll notice that it only has one tile at the moment. I can navigate to the information that I'd like to add and simply select Options, Add to Workspace, and then I have the ability to choose the workspace that I want to select this to and how I want the information presented. I also have the option to filter the information before I add it. I want to create a tile on my workspace that shows only investment projects. You'll notice that I can filter for those results and then add it to my workspace as a tile. I'll give it a name and click OK. When I navigate back to my workspace, you'll see that I now have a second tile that will show me only investment projects. When I click on this tile, it takes me back to the filtered information. You may have noticed that I navigated to the Projects page through the Module and Menu Item list. Like the workspaces, these items will be filtered based on the security role assigned to the user. A typical user would see a much smaller number of items both in the module list and in the menu items associated with that module. If you don't want to navigate through these modules and menu items, or you simply can't remember where the item is located, you can use the built-in search capabilities to take you to the page you need. If I type in the word purchase orders into the search, you'll see that it brings up a relevant list of topics. From here, I can click directly in the list to take me to the page. Microsoft Dynamics 365 has a familiar look and feel of other Microsoft products. There's a ribbon across the top with multiple tabs containing action buttons which can be used on the selected record. These action buttons are also available if you click on the record and view the details. You'll also see a consistent format across Dynamics 365 in the way that the records are displayed. There's a header section, a line section, and a line details section. This makes it easy for the users to locate the information they need. Back on the main list page, I can use the built-in filtering capabilities to quickly locate the records I want to see. If I'm looking for records from a particular vendor, but I can't remember the exact spelling of the vendor's name, I can simply filter by the letter that it starts with. I can also filter on multiple fields. In this case, I only want to see invoiced purchase orders. Because Dynamics 365 is fully integrated with Office 365, I can quickly and easily export this list for sharing with other members of the organization by clicking the Office 365 icon at the top of my screen. When I select Export to Excel, You'll see that I have the option to download the Excel file, save it to OneDrive for Business, or upload it to a SharePoint site. Dynamics 365 has a toolbar that is visible at the top of my screen from any page. Here, I have the option to select multiple legal entities, use the search feature, view system notifications, provide feedback to Microsoft, or show some of the system settings. These settings can be used to set visual preferences, determine if I would like to receive emails for system notifications, and the ability to assign someone as the delegate to complete system approvals on my behalf. There's also a task recorder, which allows you to record transactions in the system to be used for training or troubleshooting. There's a help icon, which allows me to complete searches on topics related to Dynamics 365. I can also submit support requests to Microsoft and submit ideas for product enhancements. Now that you have seen a basic overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations, please contact RAND Group to let us show you how it can benefit your business.